Hey guys, in this episode I have something very special for you. We're going to use an Xbox controller to play games in Model 3 wirelessly, no cable needed. So there was a recent announcement of the refreshed Model X and Model S, which can use wireless controllers to play games in the car. And apparently this is not a feature currently of the Model 3 and Model Y. I'm not even sure if Tesla is able to do that or is willing to do that for Model 3 and Model Y. Now, that doesn't mean that you cannot do it by yourselves. So we're going to use this Xbox One controller, which is a Bluetooth controller, and a little gadget to do exactly that, play games wirelessly. Now, what you need is a gadget called 8Pido. It looks like that, which is basically a USB dongle, which uses Bluetooth. And the trick that it does is that it has this little button which you can use to pair your Bluetooth controller without using any software. So having said that, this is not the only device that can do that. There's another device called NS Magic, which is more or less similar. I'm just showing this device here as an example. This is not a sponsored video. However, if you want to buy this, I'll post the link in the description below. So here we are. I opened up Beats Buggy Racing 2, and I'm going to use the Xbox controller with a cable first, and then we're going to do it wirelessly. So I plug it in, that's one end, and then the other end goes inside the port, like this. So it vibrated, it also lit up. So now, as you can see, it works already. If you want, we can play some of the game too. Three, two, one, go! Almost. Oh yeah, gas is here, the trigger, right trigger. And brakes should be that one. Okay, so works just fine. I'm gonna pause the game, unplug the cable, one end, and also the other end, and then get rid of it. So now I'm going to use this little guy. This is just a dongle. This is the one that I was telling you about, where you can plug it in and use it as a Bluetooth dongle for your Xbox or other controllers. Now, the trick that this little thing does is that it has a button, and using this button, basically you can pair any kind of controller without using the software. So the reason you cannot use any kind of Bluetooth dongle is that normally those require software. So perhaps if you're on Windows, you used to need the software to pair your own dongle with your own controller. But this little thing doesn't require software. It does it through hardware. So that's why it works with the Tesla. Now let's try it. I plug it in the same port. And now we have to pair the controller. So as you can see, the controller now doesn't work. So what you do is you press this little button, and then you press the sync button on the Xbox controller. It starts flashing fast, and hopefully, exactly, now it paired. And now, as you can see, we're playing games on a Tesla with a wireless Xbox controller. No need to buy a Tesla Model S, no need to buy a Tesla Model X. You can just do it on your Model 3 and Model Y. So that would be it, guys, for this video. I hope you liked it and found this tip useful. See you in the next one.